Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about adding polynomials. Let's proceed to our video tutorial on adding polynomials. Alright. Okay, so let's proceed to another example on adding polynomials. Now, in adding polynomials, we're just going to combine like terms and we will just line it up and pair them with their common terms. So let's have this example. We have 6x squared plus 3x minus 3 plus 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus x. So let's write it in vertical form. So let's start with the first polynomial, which is 6x squared plus 3x minus 3. Okay, this is our first polynomial, and we will add the second polynomial, 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus x. So let's pair them. So let's start first with 2x cubed. So since 2x cubed doesn't have a partner, we will place it here, 2x cubed. Okay. Next, we have negative 3x squared. So we will place it under 6x squared. We will align it with 6x squared. So negative 3x squared. And then last, we have positive x. So we will align it with positive 3x. So plus x. And now that we have aligned our common terms, we will now proceed to the next part, which is to combine like terms or to add. So let's add. Let's start first with 2x cubed. Since 2x cubed doesn't have any partner, we will place it below 2x cubed. So we will just bring down 2x cubed. Next, we have Next, we will have 6x squared plus negative 3x squared. So here we have positive 6 and negative 3. Since they have different sign, copy the sign of the larger number, positive, and then subtract 6 minus 3. That will be 3x squared. Next, let's proceed to 3x plus x. So 3x plus x, we have 3 plus 1, that will be positive 4. Then copy the variable x. And last one, we have negative 3. So we will just bring down negative 3. So negative 3. And that's it. The sum of these two polynomials will be 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 3. Alright. And that is it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave it in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, please go to my channel, Teacher Justin. Okay, that's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.